Recessed electrical panels offer several advantages over surface-mounted panels. Firstly, aesthetics are improved. Recessed panels are hidden within the wall cavity, providing a cleaner and more discreet appearance compared to surface panels which protrude from the wall. Secondly, safety is increased. Recessed panels reduce the risk of accidental contact with live wires as they are enclosed within the wall. Thirdly, clutter is reduced. By recessing the panel, the surrounding area is less obstructed, creating a more spacious and organized look. Fourthly, protection from elements is enhanced. Recessed panels are sheltered from external factors such as dust, moisture, and debris, which can damage electrical components. Fifthly, energy efficiency can be improved. The insulation provided by the wall cavity around a recessed panel can help improve energy efficiency by reducing heat transfer. Sixthly, security is enhanced. Recessed panels are less accessible than surface panels, making them more difficult to tamper with or vandalize. Seventhly, maintenance is easier. Recessed panels often have removable covers or doors, allowing for convenient access for maintenance or upgrades. Eighthly, the resale value of the property can be increased. Recessed panels are typically viewed as a more desirable feature in homes and commercial buildings, which can increase their resale value. However, there are reasons why contractors may suggest surface panels. Firstly, ease of installation is a factor. Surface panels are generally easier to install than recessed panels, as they do not require cutting into the wall. Secondly, lower cost is a consideration. Surface panels are typically less expensive than recessed panels due to their simpler design and ease of installation. Thirdly, accessibility is improved. Surface panels are easier to access for repairs or upgrades, as they are not enclosed within the wall. In general, recessed electrical panels are preferred over surface panels due to their superior aesthetics, increased safety, and enhanced functionality. However, if cost, ease of installation, or accessibility are key concerns, then a surface panel may be a more suitable option. Ultimately, the best decision should be made on a case-by-case basis, considering factors such as the architectural style of the building, the location of the panel, and the budget constraints.